peace again. Wanna sing a different song. I want you to need me. I need to want something more. He gives what he can, and I don't know what he's given for. Softer, harder, in between. Well, she has a lot of names. I just call her Meow Meow. Solitude. Hadley dash Payne dash 3. He is stable. You are deep. I know just how to get to that need. Favorite Noah Kahn song? I don't know. I don't really listen to that much of him. But I'd have to like look at them. Wanna feel that it's wrong. I wanna know peace again. Wanna. Oh, she's touching my guitar. Meow Meow, don't do that, please. It's only a question. Ow! No. I'm pushing it down in gray. He won't see it when I come. I don't know any Bailey Payne. Meow Meow. Oh my gosh. No. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. I'm dead ass. She bites them. So I don't want to hear that ever again. Who said that? Sean. Sean's my biggest hater, genuinely. And the winter's gone. Huh? Yeah, I like dogs better. Guys, I hate cats. And I'm sorry if you guys like cats. I don't like them. But this cat was living with a homeless lady and was in the worst living conditions. And I had to get her away from it. So that's why I got her. But I'm allergic to cats and I don't like her. She has cat toys. She doesn't like them. What did she do? She just bites my feet! Stop. I'm 18. Yeah, I know. Just because I can. Where? Move where? She can get anywhere. Unless I go onto the ceiling, maybe. You look 17. Well, I'm 18, so guess I'm not that far off. I'm jumping off, taking a picture of all the people close to us. The Shark Watch. I don't have a YouTube now. I'm not Catholic. It's forever running back to you. Summer or winter? Summer. Running back to you. Ow! It's gonna be someone that I want. I don't want to tell you guys my religion because every time I do, everyone hates on me. Ow! I'm actually gonna lose it. Meow meow. You need like a toy, but she doesn't like toys actually. Can you see the cat? Like, I wasn't doing it for you guys. I genuinely was just doing it for the fact of, like, I'm being bitten. Same, I got blocked from life for saying Jesus loves you. Oh, that's crazy. Ow. Religion? I'm a Mormon. Ow! Have you ever been to Disneyland? Bro, Disneyland's my second home. I've been there more times than I can count. Okay, Oh, Meow Meow's a girl. Do you got the pass? I usually do, but I didn't get one this year because I'm moving out of the country. Yeah, I know she does. Yeah, of course I believe in Jesus. I love Jesus. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of nervous, I'll be honest. No, I'm not. Where are you moving? I'm going to England. I'm 18. I don't know where my socks are. I haven't worn real shoes in a really long time. I've been wearing flip-flops since like probably this summer going into my junior year. I'm 5 feet even. Oh, that's crazy. Never. Of course, my mom and my dad love each other, but Jesus is always first. I like Disneyland better because you can like do everything in one day. I feel like Disney World's too spread out. My flip-flop collection. Yeah, I know. I only have a pair of rainbows. Well, pair of rainbows, and then I have some Volcom. You go to school still? No, I'm graduated. Lights turned on, can be turned on. I used to dance all night. I'll call your mom. What was your GPA? That's a good question. I've been exactly where you are. I'm serving a mission. There are so many more.